The robot industry itself is a $25 billion industry, as we heard earlier. By global standards, that's not very big, and as such, it means it doesn't really have the capacity internally to drive all the technologies capable of making it more advanced. But if you look at a number of adjacent industries around the robotics market, things like mobile computing, cloud computing, gaming, the computer industry itself, even military robotics and so forth, automotive, there are a number of much larger adjacent industries that are driving advances in technology that are starting to make their way into products today. And one of the best examples I can give you is we're debuting a new mobile robot at our booth, kind of a fun thing for you to see. That product would not have been available 5 years ago. The sensing technology that we're using in it comes from the bumpers of cars that have taken a sonar sensor and cost reduced it to a point that we can buy it for $1 and put it in the back of the robot. The accelerometer we use in it is the same one that gets used in the gyroscope, is the same ones that get used in an iPhone. That industry has taken these chips and driven them down to a cost point that now makes it possible for us to build much more intelligent and capable robots.
I absolutely think you'll see more robots in the service industry, starting with industrial. So the way we look at the service industry is there's personal and kind of manufacturing or industrial. So I think you'll start to see more industrial service robots implemented, both in the factories to really help with workflow and parts throughout the factory. But also I think you'll start to see them in dangerous type of environments. So for example, we had that oil rig explosion that happened a couple years ago, and a robot actually went down and ended up clipping the oil pipeline to stop the flow of oil into the ocean. So I think you'll start to see them more in applications where it could be a dangerous type of environment or a challenging situation for a human.